It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management here at 27 Laurel Lane, Warren, Rhode Island. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home for rent, newly renovated throughout. Starting our video tour right when you walk in, the front door. Beautiful hardwood flooring here in the dining and kitchen area. We're going to start our video tour. We're not going to go upstairs. We're going to turn to our right. Got a smaller dining area here. Plenty of room for a good-sized table. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Fresh paint, custom blinds. Plenty of cabinet space. Oversized refrigerator. Countertops here. Gas stove. Over to my left, you got a microwave, more cabinet and countertop space, sink, beautiful picture window facing the backyard, dishwasher. Open door space here. You got huge living area with newer carpet, mini splits for cooling, ceiling fans. Mudroom area here. So if you park in front of the garage, or in the driveway, you have a separate entrance, a mudroom area. Make our way into the living room. Faces the back of the house. Built-in bookshelves here. Garage with plenty of workspace and cabinets. Back to the living room, we got attention here, custom lighting up top. Full deck on the back of the house. Separate areas for patio chairs and grilling. We're gonna make our way back through the kitchen. To my right, you got the bathroom, a shower tub and vanity, a formal dining area here. Then off the dining area, you have the main bedroom, could easily fit a king set. Ceiling fan there above. You have a huge built-in closet. Plenty of storage. That right there goes down to the basement, non-finished, plenty of storage and laundry hookups down there. Now we're gonna make our way upstairs. Beautiful wood finish flooring. To my left, bedroom number 2. Could fit a queen set. You have a closet there. Then you have plenty of extra storage here in this huge non-finished room. Plenty of lighting. Right here we got a second living area. Perfect for a playroom or an office. And over here we got bedroom number 3. Could also fit a queen set. And then you have a walk-in closet here. Built-in shelving. I'd like to apply for 27 Laurel Lane, Warren, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult would have filled out the application. This is Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.